Hi friends, this is your Srinivas. Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to discuss the topic which is useful for 9th and 10th class. So the topic is nothing but how to factorize cubic polynomial or biquadratic polynomial or fifth power polynomial in easiest manner. How it is? Actually, we learned in previous classes how to factorize the quadratic equation. Yes, that's correct. You are right. That is nothing but splitting method. Splitting the factors, we should get the answer. But what about cubic polynomial? Yes, we have to take the common terms. We have to get the answer. But more than the three polynomials, we have to solve this question in easiest manner, friends. That kind of answer, let us see here. Yes, I told you just now. Yes, what I told you? Yes. Now let us take one example here. X square plus 4x plus 3. You have to factorize. You have to find the roots, whatever it is. We follow the splitting process. The process is 1 into coefficient of x square into constant term. 1 into 3, nothing but 3. 3 is a prime number. Usually it has two factors, 1 and itself, nothing but 1, 3. Okay. Now if you sum these, you should get coefficient of b. If you add or subtract these two factors, which is equals to x coefficient, right? Here plus 1 plus 3, nothing but plus 4, satisfied. And plus into plus, plus 1 into 3, 3 also, the condition also satisfied. Then hence we should get the factors x square, this 4x split into two parts, that is nothing but 1x plus 3x plus 3. Take the common, you should get x plus 1. Take the common here, x plus 1. Yes, when you are taking the common here x, you should get here constant. Yes, this is the idea you have in your mind. Now x, if you take the common, x plus 1. If you take the common, you should get x plus 1. These two brackets must be similar in our process. Then you should get x plus 1 and x plus 3 are the factors. Friends, I told you very clearly one important note point in our previous video. Depends on degree, we should get that kind of factors. Here degree is 2, we should get two factors. Now it is easy. What about cubic polynomial? Like these questions are given. We have to solve in easiest manner. That thing I will tell you. Let us see better. Now, if you find that condition, you have to remember two notes. Let p of x is a polynomial, that is nothing but x cube plus 2x square minus x minus 2. You have to keep in your brain two notes. To note important points. What are they? Simple. Yes, if sum of coefficients are equals to 0. Yes, sum of all the coefficients of given question equals to 0, then immediately you can write x minus 1 is a factor of given polynomial like the p of x, friends. Clear? Next, second note. If sum of even power coefficients is equals to, yes, sum of odd power coefficients, then we can say that x plus 1 is a factor of p of x. Most 99.99% such cubic polynomials or biquadratic polynomial are having in these two any one compulsory. Now this question, what is fit for these two properties? Let us see. Yes, now coefficients of, friends, coefficients of given question x cube coefficient is anything is not there, we should consider it 1. This is 2. This is minus 1. Minus 2. Friends, you should observe here one thing. It is in descending order. You see the powers are in descending order. 3, 2, 1, 0. That compulsory. If anything is missing here, you can take 0 instead of that. Okay. Now, yes friends, it's sum. It's a sum. 1 plus 2 minus 1 minus 2. Plus 2 minus 2 minus 1 plus 1 can cancel 0. Yes, you can write x minus 1 is a factor. Clear? Yes sir, it is a cubic polynomial. we should get compulsory 3 factors. Out of 3, I got 1 factor directly. Right, next point. Sum of even power coefficients equals to sum of odd power coefficients. EPC, even power coefficients, is equals to sum of odd power coefficients. What are the even power beta? Yes, here 0, here x power 0 there, no? 0 is nothing but even number, no? 0, coefficient minus 2. Power 2, coefficient is plus 2, right? Odd power is 1. Power is 1, that is nothing but odd number. Odd number coefficient is minus 1. Here odd number coefficient is plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled 0. Minus 2 plus get cancelled 0. LHS equals to RHS. LHS equals to RHS. Then we can say that x plus 1 is also factor. Friends, out of 3, we got 2 factors immediately. Then we can solve the answer, remaining factor very easy. Let us see. We should find third factor also by using this shortcut method, nothing but synthetic method, nothing but Horner division method. Horner's division method, friends. In this question, we have to get 2 factors at a time. Sometimes we should get only 1 factor. In case also, we can follow this condition. Now make a box. Okay. What are the coefficients, friends? 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2. It is in order once you check it. 3, 2, 1, 0. Powers are in descending order. Yes, it is in order. What are the first factor? X minus 1 is a factor, sir. X minus 1 is a factor, is nothing but 0 of x minus 1, nothing but x equals to plus 1, friends. That plus 1 you can substitute here. Yes, x equals to 1. Now put 0 here, remainder 0, we should get remainder 0 now. 1 plus 0, the process I am telling. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 into 1, you write here. 1 plus 0, 1. This is a procedure, you follow like that. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 into 1, 1. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 into 1, 3. 3 minus 1, plus 2, plus 2. 2 1 ja, 2. Here minus 2 plus 2 get cancelled, remainder 0. Yes, I got remainder 0, friends. Means it is a factor. It is verified. Now, which is the factor you get there before that? X plus 1 also. X plus 1 factor means x equals what only? Minus 1. X plus 1 is a factor, then 0 of x plus 1 is x equals to minus 1. Fine. Now, yes, x plus 1 is a factor, that means x equals to minus 1. Procedure 0. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 into minus 1, minus 1. 3 minus 1, 2. 2 into minus 1, minus 2. Plus 2 minus 2. Remainder 0. Yes, we got just 2 terms. One is constant, one is external. Yes, one is constant, one is external. 1 into x, x. Constant plus 2, plus 2. Yes, one more factor. Yes, yes, yes. First factor x minus 1. Second factor x plus 1. Third factor x plus 2 are the factors of v of x. Hence proved it, friends. 1, 2, 3 factors. We got it. Now you have to observe. In this question, what is asking, friend? Volume of cuboid. Yes, volume of cuboid. Yes, is the rectangle. The cuboid is like a shape of front shape. It is nothing but rectangle. Rectangle is having extra height, then it becomes a cuboid. It is a 3-dimensional geometry. Now it is length, it is breadth, it is height. Now, friends, volume of cuboid is nothing but L into B into H and A. L into B into H. Length, breadth, height. Here, first value length. We can consider it. Length is nothing but x minus 1 units. Breadth, second value, b breadth and width, x plus 1 units, friends. Now third value, height. Height is nothing but x plus 2. Yes, the dimensions are length, breadth, height of cuboid. We proved it by the concept of polynomial, linking the chapter with geometry. We proved it. Clear? Now